Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Ranker Study Time. Now we will discuss about the Anglo-Norman period part 2, in which we will discuss about some important writers and poets and their important works also. Lee Judy Adams, The Play of Adam. It is an Anglo-Norman play which is written in Old French like the English play, cycle play. It is a dramatic representation of stories from the Bible, both in Old and New Testaments, in which shown fall of Adam and Eve, creation, temptation, and story of Cain and Abel, etc., which is related to creation of man and fall of man. Luigi Saint Nicholas, The Play of Saint Nicholas. It is a miracle play by Jean Bedel, which was represented by some saints near the churches. Curson Mundi is written in 8 syllables. It represents history of the world as recorded in Old and New Testaments. The Brute is a poem or verse. It survives in more than 30 manuscripts. Represents literary history written in Norman language. Sir Orfeo is a romance written by an unknown Celtic author which recovers the classical myth of great musician Orpheus and his wife Eurydice. Orfeo is a king and musician. Orpheus and Eurydice are lovers of each other. Mary de France, 1160 to 1190, French poetess. Lois of Mar de France is a collection of 12 narrative poems which represents beautiful language. The Nightingale is a story. The Lay of the Nightingale is about two knights who live next door to each other at Saint Malo. One of them is married while other is bachelor. The bachelor had a secret relationship with his neighbor's wife. After finding the secret, the husband resolves to catch the nightingale and kill the birds. The lady wraps the body of the little bird in a silken cloth and sends it to her lover through a trusty servant. After that, the lover puts the bird in a gold vessel and it seals it and carries it with himself wherever he goes. एक लेडी होती है और एक मैन होता है, दोनों का रिलेशन होता है इलीगल रिलेशन. उसको फाइंड करने के बाद हस्बैंड लेडी के बर्ड को मार देता है, एक नाइटिंगेल को, जो कि एक प्रेजेंट थी लवर की तरफ से. Anglo-Norman aristocrats loved the old Celtic oral tales sung by Breton storyteller, also called Breton Lage. Romance was the main narrative genre of the late medieval readers. A chivalry romance focused on knightly adventure, knightly love, and display the material prowess against the supernatural foes. Romance reflected the social aspiration of members of the lower nobility. Romance is most important part of knight and king's life. Rule of Ancrosus is the most beautiful prose written in early time. Thomas Dales wrote Love Ruined. Geoffrey Monmouth wrote The Complete History of Britain. Chanson de Roland is French national epic. The Romance cycle of the Rome deals with deeds of Alexander and fall of Troy. The national epic of the France is Chanson de Roland, which is repeated in many exams. The ballads were meant for common people, while the romance are meant for upper strata. Ormlum is a paraphrase of the gospel lesson. Romance is more poetic and more interesting than ballads. Cursor Mundi is an example of material romance. Mary Greenwood Man is gradually collected into Jest of Robin Hood. Important battles are Magna Carta, which was fought 1215, Norman Conquest fought in 1066, 100 Years' War begins in 1338. These are the important turning point in English literature. The Clouds is a play which gained notoriety for its caricature of the philosopher Socrates. The clouds is also an important work. Thank you guys. Please like my video, share also and comment. Please subscribe my channel guys. Thank you.